Let's watch Kara as she shows us how to use a shelf marker. She puts the shelf marker in next to the book that she's interested in. She takes the book out, making sure that the shelf marker stays in place. She opens up the book and browses it, and she decides she does not like this book. So she puts it back where the shelf marker is with the spine facing out, and once the book is back in place, then she takes the shelf marker out. Not like this. He puts the shelf marker in and takes the book out, but then he takes out the shelf marker and puts it on top of the bookcase. And when he's ready to put the book back, he doesn't know where it goes because the shelf marker is not in place, and he puts the book back in the wrong place. Please don't do this. She's using the shelf marker correctly. She's putting the shelf marker in, taking the book out, and browsing the book. But notice when she puts the book back, she puts it with the pages facing out instead of the spine facing out. Please make sure that the book goes back on the shelf with the spine facing out. This time Case is not using a shelf marker. He takes the book off the shelf, he's browsing the book, and notice when he puts it back, he doesn't know where it goes and he puts it in the wrong place. This book is now lost and it will be really hard to find. Please don't do this.